Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be documenting and working on this scrapbook layout. Super easy, documenting one of the last trucks. I don't even know what to call it, but one of the last times that the ice cream truck passed through our neighborhood last summer, and it's typical for our kids to rush out the door and try to catch the truck once they hear the music playing. And so I just wanted to take a few pictures and trying to slowly make my way back into scrapbooking so I don't continue to add to my stack of pictures. This paper kit that I am using is an older kit from Stamping Up. I honestly wouldn't even know if they still have it available. It was, like I said, a kit from their specialty paper, and the theme was ice cream, and I've been hoarding it for a while. I could easily say I've been hoarding it for like about a year. So it was time for me to use it, and I thought, what perfect way than to document the kids hitting up the ice cream truck. So for this layout, I am going to cut the pictures, which I already did because I'm just blabbering on with the story and not telling you anything about the process video. But I've trimmed the pictures to all be the same size, and I am going to start adhering my strip star paper that are going to make up my background. So I'm going to start off with this one that has the little ice cream and ice cream cones patterns. I only glued the 3 sides so that I am able to tuck a little bit of the additional strips that you guys see, which is the green one and the red and white striped one. One of the things that I enjoy about the ice cream truck coming to our neighborhood is like the rush of the moment, because at first you're like doubting yourself whether you hear the music or you just hearing things. And then like the kids are like, like last minute they're like, it is the ice cream truck, and then they rush to try to find their little cash from their allowances that they have in their piggy banks or in their like save, or if me or and Mike have cash for them. And it just kind of reminds me of in California. Growing up in California, we don't have ice cream trucks. We actually have like people that walk pushing a little cart that's full of different types of ice cream. And even my parents, when we go to California and visit them, they're always like, Maikito, the paletero, which which means like, like the ice cream man is like on the apartments, and so they get super excited. I don't know, just to be a kid and have the joy of like the ice cream truck or the ice cream man is pretty cool. So I just wanted to make sure, like I said, that I captured their smiley faces. And here is where I'm showing you guys. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is typical of Stamping Up. I don't know that their kits come with stickers and ephemera like other companies do. I feel like their kits, or their, maybe I just didn't buy it or didn't see it. Like I said, this is an older specialty paper. I didn't get no stamps to go with it. It was just paper. So because I didn't have too much decoration that would fit the theme, I ended up cutting paper out of the same images, and I separated the little popsicle sticks and the ice cream cones, and basically fussy cut them off camera. You guys could barely see them because they are so small. And I am going to use that to help me decorate the pictures. I also looked, in case you guys didn't see the video I'll try to link it in the description below, how I store my ephemera by colors. And that popsicle that you guys just saw me glue down is actually from like a collection that I bought last year. And so is that little like ticket of ice cream. That is just ephemera that I collect and I just store by colors basically. And whenever something comes up, I always make sure, just kind of like me using my scraps before I do anything else. So I look in my scraps, and if nothing in my scraps could help me, then I go look at the ephemera that I already have, either ephemera that I make myself or ephemera that is left over from other projects. And that is exactly where the popsicle and the ice cream ticket came from. Going to add a little tag that said summer 2018, and then use a little bit of the little ice creams that I bought to decorate the pictures. But before I do that, I am going to be making the title of my page, which is just going to be super simple, you guys. The title is Ice Cream Truck. Again, because just remembering like how excited the kids get when they hear this music playing, like the announcement that I'm here, the ice cream truck is here. So it's just gonna be a yellow color to match the color themes of the pages. And ice cream truck it is. I am going to fussy cut them. I'm using the Pink Fresh Studio stamp, alphabet stamp set. Perfect size for this. And like I said, I'm going to fussy cut the title, every single letter, and I am going to slowly make my way to adhering them, making sure I have them kind of like where I want them before I secure them. And I am going to be using a little bit of those ice cream cones that I had left over to decorate behind some words and on top of some pictures. And any leftover, it's going exactly back into the storage where I keep all the ephemera for maybe a next time. And I said maybe a next time, but what I really meant was like another project that I may use them later on. And I'm gonna leave you guys here because you guys already know I changed my mind on the placement of things so much, but this is pretty much, you're looking at the end product. I'm just gonna adhere everything down, add a little bit of, like I said, the popsicles to the pictures behind the letters, and we are going to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. I don't always get to them, but I always make time to reply to you guys. Like I said, if you just want to comment or have a question for me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll stop rambling and I will see you on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.